The Itsy and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Oh, such beautiful children. Now, what can I get you for Christmas?
I want a tablet for Christmas.
Oh, you want a tablet? What kind? Fancy or caffeinol?
Caffeinol.
Okay. I'll get it for you when I go by the pharmacy. Come, little one.
Afraid the drunk couldn't go bite me.
So man, if you come out of the line, that me I tell you now. Big up yourself, Santa. Oh, you don't say yo, and tell me if you sit down.
No.
Wait, are they remix that?
No. Hey, what you doing, man?
Hold on, Santa.
Listen, hey, what you doing? Listen, man. This is a children one, Lena.
Mr. Sandra Claus, don't worry yourself. Mr. overgrown picnic. Mr. child at heart.
Myself, back up. Listen. Stand up there and tell me, what can I get you for Christmas?
I want the bicycle then.
Oh, you idiot. You think some a foreign Santa Claus, eh? With a reindeer. I'm a bicycle me have to use and deliver the people in present.
But Santa Claus, no, you say Christmas is a time for giving, so give me.
You know what? Your Christmas come early this year. You can take that one.
The pink one there?
Yeah.
That one, yeah?
Yes. That's you right there, young man.
This is for go grow. Wait till you no come up.
Next!
What the bricks?
Hey, are you ready? It is season 8. We're going to Yalas in St. Thomas. It is Itsy
and Fancy Cat.
We're going to ask questions. Tricky questions. Just a cowboy rode into town on Friday, spent 2 nights and leave on Friday. How is that possible?
You come from Friday and leave on the same Friday. You leave on the same Friday and ain't gonna wait.
A man and a girl.
Not possible to do that.
Why?
You can't leave going on Friday and leave back on Friday.
Can you ask me on Friday?
We can come Wednesday and go back Friday.
How?
You not go nowhere. In come like me come today, me leave back today. You not go nowhere.
You just say?
So him just enjoy himself.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
And just ride in on Friday. Spend 2.
A little woman to go.
What?
A cowboy rode in the town on 2 breasts. I mean, sorry.
Because the donkey or the horse named Friday.
The horse's name is Friday.
Every day Friday?
Every day Friday.
The man's name Friday, man.
So you spend 2 nights before you ride out on Friday. So on a Friday you ride in pan.
Yeah, Friday I'm riding pan.
I spend 2 nights and you.
2 nights.
So 2 nights when you spend a Friday and spend it pan.
But I don't know that. There's no riding on Friday.
Well, we don't know.
The next Friday leave.
No, the same Friday.
The same Friday? It's impossible.
Yeah, them pretty. You say them pretty.
If 10 birds upon a piece of achilling and a man shoot one of them, how much leave?
9.
Talk loud, man. Point up in the camera.
9.
Talk on the camera like a ghetto girl. 10 birds upon a limb and a man shoot one of them. How much left?
9.
9.
9.
Think about it, you know.
Yeah. 10 and him shoot 1, almost 9 leave.
How much bird upon a tree? 10 and them shoot off 1.
Shoot 1.
Yeah. But them not kill none. That means 10 left. 10 same way.
That makes sense?
Next.
One, they still left on there.
They're still up.
The whole of them still left on
Then
there.
still up there, the whole 10 of them.
10. 10 birds upon the tree.
Yeah.
And they shoot 1. 9.
9. Ruby, you sure, Ruby?
Yeah, sure.
9 of them.
9 of them left because them are idiot.
See them?
10 birds upon a tree, the hunter shoot 1. 1 go left. You know why? Home work is out. Because the rest of them are going to fly. The one will get shot or dead. So I'm going to stay.
None left.
Oh my God! Ding, 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 ding.
9.
None left. Kind of them gone. Them a go fly. None. 9.
Him shoot 1 bomb. But 10 left, him only shoot bomb.
Him shoot 1 bomb.
But if it's straight question, 9 left.
9 left. After him shot 1.
After him shot 1.
9 left.
If 10 did it.
Good evening and welcome to the 2020 season of IFC TV's Senior Schools Challenge Quiz. This evening we have Bang Belly Primary from Dongso.
La 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 la, Gary. Because my father prison, fine prison.
New York.
Yeah, New York.
Yeah. And they will be going up against Upper Crust Prep from UPSO. I'm your host, Tony Ann Darkskin, and the action begins right now. Section 1, starting with Bible knowledge. Upper Crust Prep. Which 2 animals did David say he slew? Which 2 before he slew Goliath?
It must be some farm animal because David was a poor kid like them losers over there.
Yeah, like cow or goat?
Yes, like cow or goat.
I would have eat one of them goat there right now. Or the cow first and then the goat with some curry.
You always have to be thinking about your stomach. I said it should be cat and dog. Cow and goat.
Dog and goat!
That is incorrect. Bang Belly Primary.
A lion and a bear.
That is correct.
We're well bright.
You know what my father.
Sweetheart, sweet
You know that I know my father.
Continuing with Bible knowledge. Upper Crust Prep. Samson slew the Philistines with the jawbone of a...
man.
To continue the question, with the jawbone of what animal? Your answer is incorrect. Bang Belly Primary, would you have the answer?
The jawbone of a jackass, miss.
That is correct.
Sweep out that again, because we write on no don'ts.
It's now Bang Belly Primary 2, Upper crust prep 0.
When I didn't know said ass is sometimes an inappropriate word though.
Really? Mm-hmm. Then that my mother call my father.
Adapt myself, father call the minister.
Moving on. Jamaican popular music for Bang Belly Primary. Complete this line from a song by music legend Bob Marley. You feel it in the...
In my belly. That's what I feel. I'm hungry right now.
Shush! It's not our question.
You mean, I feel it in a one drop.
You sure?
Yeah, a one. Hey, I hear the answer. Is what? One drop a QQ thing. I know it.
Let's do this. I have it on my phone.
But it's not our question.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is Itsy.
And that's the Itsy and Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video, but I don't see no much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching Itsy.
Fancy Cat.